Hi there, I'm Stacy with WTI. Isn't it amazing how ceiling fans have really come a long way? This awesome, beautiful ceiling fan from TALOYA is really blowing our minds with all of its wonderful features and how bright and efficient that it is. The ceiling fan was super easy to install. The instructions inside are barely needed thanks to it being such a plug and play ceiling fan. It really provides a really wonderful breeze, especially with the option of 6 settings that's on the remote. The fan is super quiet. So even on the hottest of nights, you can enjoy this fan without feeling like it's going to wake you up or disturb your sleep at all. I also really am impressed with the lighting on this fan. The LED light is crisp and clean, and you have 3 different options of lighting. But on each one, you can completely dim or change the lighting. If you're a person that likes to sleep with a small light on, no need to have an additional night light. You can definitely use this one, and it provides a really nice soft glow. The remote control is also really cool because a lot of times you'll feel like you just hear that constant beeping sound when you're trying to change everything around. But this remote actually has an option to turn that off. So if it drives you crazy, feel free to turn it off, put that fan on to the perfect setting so that you can enjoy your time resting under this fan. This was such an easy install, and it is such a great fan to have in any room in the home. We installed it in our guest room, but it would be awesome in a living room area or in a main area, wherever you choose. But that's just my point of view.